In Houdini, unpinned tabs follow each other's selection by default. They follow the last selected node because they are linked and they watch the same channel, kind of like when everyone watches the same television channel. Now when the selection changes, the linked tabs follow or watch the selection. So we can set some tabs to follow a different channel. Those tabs will then follow the same channel and ignore the changes in tabs that are watching or following other channels. Here, for example, I'm at the object level. Now if I dive into one of these geometry containers, such as this sphere geometry, we navigate to the geometry context. Now because the 3D scene view and the parameters editor and the network editor that we are currently navigating are all linked to the same channel, they will all follow the selection. And in the path section, we can see that they share the same path. If you right-click on the pen button, notice that this pane tab is linked to the last selected node. So for this, I will split these panes vertically like this. Right-click on the pen button again and notice it says no link, so it is not linked. And so as you can see, if we navigate here into one of these other nodes, for example, that the pinned pane does not follow the selection. Okay, let's link some of these panes. So the ones to the left, for example, I will right-click on the parameter editor at the top here and set that to follow channel 1, and the same with the bottom leftmost network editor. Then for the top right parameter editor and for the bottom right network editor, I will set those to follow channel 2. Now with those linked, if I dive into the sphere in the left network editor, the parameter editor that is watching channel 1 is going to follow that. Notice the parameter editor and the network editor on the right that is set to channel 2 will not follow with channel 1 because they are not watching that channel, they are watching channel 2. Alright, so in the network editor to the right, I will dive into the torus object to switch to the geometry context. Notice again that the parameter editor on channel 2, that is the top right parameter editor, will follow that selection. Again, the parameter editor and the network editor, that is to the left on channel 1, will not follow with that selection. Alright, I hope you found this interesting. Typically, we will not link our tabs and our panes in this way. This can be avoided by pinning pane tabs and by bringing up parameter panels, parameter editor windows, and so on, instead of using these tab linking features of Houdini.